Good morning, the part of Nestle. I'm Joe Vella, the CEO of Nestle. Ours is our largest food company in the world, and it is 134-year-old company. It was started by Henry Nestle in 1866. It is a Swiss-based MNC company. The prime cause of the foundation of Nestle is to prepare and sell condensed milk. But later on, we started to sell most of the types of food and medical supports. And we have 33 manufacturing sectors and 6 distribution sectors and 17 sales offices. And the annual turnover of our company is 11.1 billion sales. And we have about 17,300 employees. Nestle is America's most admirable food company, and 70% and we hold the 70% of the market share of America. Thank you.
Nestle USA. Our company is practicing functional structure. A written job description is given to employees towards designation. If any delegation occurs, the job description is rewritten with mutual understanding. We are practicing sales management principles, and the major 5 principles includes planning, organizing, commanding, coordinating, and controlling. And it is more people and product oriented. We are practicing democratic leadership style, and it is more. And so our major problem is it is more decentralized, and our competitors includes Unilever, Mars, Kraft, and our products includes baby food, medical food, bottled water, breakfast cereals, coffee and tea, confectionaries, dairy products, ice cream, frozen foods, pet foods, and snacks. Thank you.
Here we are facing a serious problem of having 29 different prices for a vanilla flavor from a single vendor. Though we are grouped together as Nestle USA in 1991, still we are geographically dispersed. In accounting side, we are following around 9 different ledgers, which makes more complicated. There are around 28 different customer entry point portals. As we are following democratic style of leadership, there is a more decentralization which causes lack of coordination. Instead of 29 different prices, we have to maintain single price for a vanilla and to have a single ledger and 1 customer entry point portal. To avoid the complications and to have an easy maintenance, we would like to implement the ERP software SAP. Thank you.
Chief Information Officer of Nestle, and our business head has explained about the challenges faced by our company, and on the basis of the challenges we have decided to implement SAP for our organization. And the SAP is the system application product in data processing, and SAP system provides us to the end-to-end solution for all manufacturing, financing, and costing, logistics, all the sectors in our organization. And the implementation of the SAP is related to our issues, and they have said that the implementation process is being done in between the 3 years, and they are provide us customized facilities for on the basis of our own issues. And the implementation cycle, the software implementation development cycle is in between 5 steps. It's that first they are requirement analysis, and then they are deciding what they have to be implemented in our organization, and then the implementation process is done, and then they are testing and the evaluation process. This cycle is overall done in our organization, and through this cycle they are overcoming our challenges. And the challenges faced by us is explained by our business head. And here the main challenges is there are different pricing for the vanilla products, and we are making through our implementation of SAP, we are deciding to make it to a single price, and then different we are taking away the different ledgers, and we are making it to a single ledgers, and then we make the more customer link through our implementation of the software. And then the decentralization are made to, we are centralizing our all process in our organization, and then through this implementation we are mainly focusing on the increasing of the efficiency. Thank you.
Hello, Project Head Nestle USA. Here we are introducing blueprint of our new business system. We are going to implement it through 7 different phases, and here we transforming the separate branch into one highly integrated company. Now the blueprint is we are set up through seven different phases. First, being an organizational change, we have a lot of challenges, and we want to integrate it into one branded company. And the second phase is build the engineering organization. We are not explaining the need for the change. We are changing the challenges into an opportunity here. The third phase is identify the high level process and business opportunities. Along with it, understand the existing process and re-engineering the process through SAP. Blueprint the new business system. Performing the transformation through SAP. Thank you.
Kevin, the training head of the Nestle USA. First of all, I am going to communicate with the employees to getting aware of the problems that now the existing system is going on. After that, I will assign the department into the groups and going to implement the new organization structure for the new system. After the second process, I am going to motivate and boosting the employees to adapt to the new technologies and the new systems that we are going to implement. In the re-engineering process, I will just choose the different groups and getting implement of the new systems and testing the new systems through the groups. After that, we are going to combine the blueprint to all over the company. Through that, the employees will follow the new systems. At last, we are going to recruitment the new employees from the outside. By this, we are giving the training and educating the new employees to adapt to the new technology and the new systems. Thank you.
Time to finish this project is from 1997 to the first quarter of 2000, but it still took us an extra year to finish it, and the estimated budget was 210 million. And that's it. Thank you.
The CEO of Agilent Technologies. It is a public research, development and manufacturing company established in 1990. And our industry is about healthcare equipment and services. And we have 13,500 employees at present, and we have companies around 40 countries and serving 120 countries. And we produce instruments, software services and consumables for laboratory users. And our headquarters is 3 places, San Clara and California and United States. And our main objective is to reduce operational costs and combining all IT budgets and quick and efficient and using of barcode by receiving from suppliers and users of ERS. And I am going to hand over to Devdarshini, a business head, to say the current status of the company.
I am Devdarshini, the owner of the business head of Agilent Technologies. Our company provides analytical instruments, software, services and consumables for the entire laboratory workflows. Agilent focuses on 6 markets: food, environment, pharmaceutical, diagnostics, chemicals and energy and research. Our company is located in California in US. Agilent maintains 7 sites in China, Beijing, Europe, Germany, UK and Denmark. The most competitors of Agilent company is VWR Corporation, UNBAC Technologies. The total revenue of Agilent company is $2.522 billion and the total assets of the company is $12.534 billion.
One IT organization. In that they migrating 2,200 legacy applications that inherited from HP to Oracle's project scope. They started a project scope in 2000 to 2004. They need 100 Oracle consultant to install the program. Before they started one IT programs, they spent 8 to 10% on sales, 20% to maintain the legacy systems, and 80% on business operations. They developed the Chief Information Officer's missions on August 2000, and it is called One IT project, and it moved more than 2,500 migrated in different sizes, areas, religions, etc.
I explained here, I am a IT head of the Agilent Technologies. I implemented Oracle software. A multinational computer technology is the California. Oracle database is the RDBMS from the Oracle Corporation. Oracle is a full and scalable relational database architecture and is the often used by global enterprises. Oracle benefits. Oracle software benefits. Portability, market presence, performance, multiple database support, backup and recovery. It is the Oracle software objectives. Blueprint of the Agilent technologies. Current process. Supplier, Agilent legacy system, each Agilent site after that current process. The Agilent technology is the future process, the supplier, Oracle software and Agilent sites and the future process of the Oracle software. And then IT project updates, troubles with the project Everest, conflicts in the priorities, converting backing from the legacy from to new system. Oracle software is the one IT organization of the company.
And the project of the company. I am going to implement the total ERP process. For that we are using an Oracle strategy. I am going to evaluate the existing plans and the legacy systems in the company. After that, evaluate the package and the investment process in the company. After that, I am going to plan the project. In what way I am going to implement and reach the process. For that, organization change of the company to assess the current state and the need for the change of the company for the efficiency and the effectiveness, both from efficiency and effectiveness of the company. And I used to communicate with the employees to the benefits of the implementation of the ERP process. For that, I am going to reboot the company by establishing BPR process and identify the BPR opportunity by selecting the process of the re-engineering process. For that, I am going to analyze the customer needs and the formulate the performance of the employees. After that, I am going to establish the key process and to identify the potential barriers to implement the ERP process. We are going to implement the ERP process at side by side by the production process. By creating new technologies, side by side Oracle process and migrate the systems and migrate the 2200 legacy systems into 20 systems. After that, we are going to implement the Oracle systems into the company.
Hi, I am Divya. I am the trainer of the company. I am going to train the employees. First of all, I conduct the meeting for employees and motivate the employees to next process and I improve the employees' knowledge.
Make it summary, short form. Later you do well in your document. This is only short one.
Next, I give the importance of the labor. First of all, I take the blueprint, the model of the new process, the creating a new knowledge, creating a new technologies to the company. Importance of the implementations of the process. The plan is to migrate the 20% of the company. Thank you.
Here, we are not achieved what we expected from implementing. It's due to ERP implementing is more than the software packages and and also due to transforming of data server from 2200 legacy application to 20 system. That gives the confusion to employees giving which they give to priority to start first. And it's the problem that we failed at implementing PPR. And we plan to overcome by implementing the new strategies by the consent of business heads. Thank you.
The CEO of Cisco Systems Incorporated. As you already know, Cisco Systems is the leading global provider and networking for internet. Cisco is fastest growing multi-billionaire company based in San Jose, California. It was founded in December 1984. The founder was Sandy Naran and Leonard Cossack. Cisco develops, manufactures and sells hardware, software, telecommunication equipments and other high technologies, services and products. Now I'm hand over to the business head.
Right. It is the worldwide leader in networking for the internet. We operate in one industry segment and creates hardware and software solutions that link computer networks so that people have easy access to information. It has most valuable technology brands worldwide in 2019. Ethernet switch quarterly market share globally in 2011 to 2019 by vendors. Telecom equipment companies worldwide ranked by total revenue in 2018. Quarterly server system vendors global market revenue share in 2009 to 2019. With over 10,000 partnerships in over 65 countries, Cisco Academy program operates in many exotic locations. Cisco's plans to transform into a global company with a global growth strategy, globally integrated management process and a global culture came about in 2006 when the board authorized the proposal to open a second headquarters in Bangalore, India. Its acquisitions were predominantly market acceleration and market expansion that centered on its traditional core technologies, networking, routing and switching. In 2019, Cisco's revenue amounted to $51.9 billion.
Business head of Cisco Systems America. Cisco Systems is an American multinational technology headquartered in San Jose, California. It manufactures and sells network hardware, softwares, telecommunication equipments, and other high technology services and products. Its subsidiaries are OpenDNS, Cisco WebEx, NTS, LinkScience, SourceFire, Scientific Atlanta. Its product lines are Cisco Carrier Routing System, CRS Part LinkSCAS E2700.
Cisco company. BPLink software installed extending the power of Oracle 7 to bring the organization change. They are easy to work and easy to store the data. And the information scanned without error. The inventory volume has doubled, headcount remaining constant. Next is built the re-engineering organization. BPLink software performing to develop hardware, software and databases. Hardware developing under that 900 MHz RF network, 3 sequence system 5000 series, SC part 80 server. Software developing through ERP package that is mainly Oracle application, including application object library and the general ledger and the Oracle inventory. And the database is developing through Oracle 7 parallel server. The parallel server that allows multiple instances to access shared databases. And we get some opportunities. Our companies also made great strides with their inventory process. Oracle application and company application customization. BPLink and BPLink apps allows tight integration of both standard. Warehouse employs easily using mistake-proof scanner to scan essential product information along with the quantity and the location information. And understanding our existing current processes or current situation of our companies, employees know only the balance amount of the raw material, but they don't know where it is located since they had lot of locations kept the raw material. And the next problem is the time needed to pull order off the shelf. Now we are using 1.5 hour wanted to reduce in the 35 minutes. Those of the problems are solved. Our company group brings to BP Link software and extended power of Oracle 7 to world barcoding and internet RF data collection system. This also helps the company rapid development. Yes,
Cisco system. Our company hired Brewer Farmer and Association to address this concern. The amount of the time taken to enter the data, accuracy of data entered, the need for the location system, etc. They will apply PPR through installed PP links software that extends the power of Oracle 7 to barcode and internet RF data collection system. After the results, users-friendly data collection system that meet our company demand requirements. Then we made a blueprint to build up organization for site and objective forces, recognition of activity to be re-engineered, study and evaluate existing process, determine information technology levers, develop the archetype of new process. Then we transform performance by making solution automated and expedited the warehouse inventory movement and reduce the time from 1.5 hours to 35 minutes. Users-friendly data collection system meets our demanding requirements, essential product information along with the quantity and location.
Cisco system. We are using Oracle software package. We installed BP Link to extend the power of Oracle 7. The packages are used: Oracle Application Object Library, Oracle Bits of Material, Oracle Ledger, Oracle Inventory, Oracle Purchasing, Oracle Order Entry. By using this software, we achieved lots of benefits. User-friendly data collection. BP Links allows tight integration. Essential product information along with the quantity and location. Information is scanned without error. Full time has decreased to 35 minutes with use of scans.
First of all, evaluate employee and identify the weakness and strength. Build quarterly and annual training program to encourage the employee. Bring guest presenters if necessary. Prepare budget for training program and workshop. Encourage employees for training. Identify training needs according to the needs. Based on research plan and implement training programs that will prepare employees for next step to their career path. Communicate all the training program to the timely basis. Have a program announcement marketing strategy and the recruitment process.
Running in a manner, customer satisfaction, timely delivery and sophisticated business process are the key ingredient for success for any organization. BPR is required to modern and derived through a dramatic change after the installation of BP Link. It extended the power of Oracle software. The problem was completely solved. So I expect my company's future will be more profitable. Thank you.
The CEO of Ambus Surety Insurance Company, USA. Our company is located at California, USA. Our company offers insurance products and provide property and casualty coverage in the United States. We included in the financial sector and insurance industry. PNC Insurance is our sub-industry. We are founded our venture on 27th March 1985. What we have been trying to do is get some reinsurance that would remove some of our exposure. Our mission is to be best services to our clients, protection of investment of shareholders, welfare of our employees, transparency in disclosures, good government for us and all around us. Our vision to be a client-focused business where people want to come for their insurance. We are facing a situation. It will be discussed by our business head. I hand over mic to Mr. Arun Kempi.
The business head of Ambus Surety Insurance Company, located California, USA. It is a fully owned by subsidiary of Ambus and insurance holding company underwriting, surety and specializing in the property and casualty. And our major problem is the company was looking for a solution to integrate the financial applications and give access to information to all who need to the company.
we are introducing Oracle's ERP software here. And Oracle is a cloud-based software solution used to automate back office processes and day-to-day business activities. Oracle ERP brings business process together to boost the collaboration, drive business, productivity, and support data-driven decisions. And we implemented the Oracle General Ledger and Oracle Payable modules here. And we are using Oracle 7 database that can help us easily acquire and integrate the other companies. Creating Oracle database, it serves as the information source for Surety Vision, and Surety Vision performs the underwriting analysis for a proposed bond and rates it and calculates the premium. And after the implementation of Oracle, a proper training should be given to our employees. So it will be taken care by the training head.
Head of Amber Surety Insurance Company. First, we provide proper training before implementing the Oracle software. Then we train our employees by understanding the training strategy. We deliver role and process-based training. Then training should be introduced for the employees as it helps them to discover their talents. Then proper motivational training should be organized. Then regular feedback should be collected from the employees for the company.
Yeah, so Amvest Surety Insurance Company, located in California. There are 7 steps to implement the Oracle. First one is to be organization change. It indicates we must know the current situation of our company and what changes we will bring to it. Second one is establishing a BPR organization. Third one, identifying the BPR opportunities. It mainly indicates identifying core parts of the organization. Through installing the Oracle, it contains information such as agent records, name of the insured on the bonds, premium rate for each bonds, and this enables staff members in the branches to perform initial underwriting analysis for employees.
Easy access for providing information, reducing confusion, competitive advantage, easy financial integration, proper time management. Thank you.
Mercedes-Benz. Here we introduce the brainstorming and DPR process of Mercedes-Benz. Mercedes-Benz is a German global automobile company. The name Mercedes-Benz first appeared in 1926 and founded in 26 June 1926. And the founder of Mercedes-Benz is Mr. Carl Benz. In 2018, Mercedes-Benz was the largest seller of premium vehicle in the world. We produce automobile, trucks, buses, and luxury vehicles.
Hi, I am Karlan. I am one of the business head of Mercedes-Benz. I am here to say the current status of Mercedes-Benz. Some of the current requirements of Mercedes-Benz are high quality standards of business depends on our people who have won the intellect and the courage to try new ideas, new processes, and new product forward. We invest in the continuous training and education to our staff. Part of our team and shape the futures of mobility with us. Our current model range. Company offers a full range of passengers, light commercial and heavy commercial equipments. The vehicles are manufactured in multiple countries worldwide. And our models are. The models are separated on the basis of some classes. A and B class, C and E class, S and X class, GLC class and GCE class. And our innovations are internal combustion engine, carburetor or fuel injection, front engine power rear wheels, Mercedes-Benz 300 SL for Galvi, traction control system.
Strengthening our divisional structure, leading in new future field, strengthening our global core business, adapting our corporate culture, customers. In worldwide, we produce 2.3 million cars. Current sales of our company is more than 22 lakhs. Our services are financial services and automobile repairs. And our main competitors are BMW, Audi, Bugatti, Land Rover and Volvo.
global integration and an enhanced technology platform to support its business strategy. SAP R3, the world's leading enterprise business solution, is now used by well over 80% of the automotive OEM market. R3 modules are financials, controlling, sales and distribution, asset management, materials management and production. This is the implementation of SAP R3 solution. It is intended to overcome all these problems.
Employee weakness and also improving employee performance. In the company, first I have demonstrated how to use the software for the employees. Then I test employees for 1 week, how they work, how it perform, is there any lagging, any difficulties. By observing, I can provide certain trainings on the employees. First, I will give institute-led training. That's a classroom session. This is fully hands-on learning experience with a subject matter. I can guide employee through each exercise. Second, SAP Live class, virtual section. I can provide SAP Live class connects all employees in a virtual classroom to give training. Employees are interconnected through audio, video, enabling to interact with me as well as other employees. Through this training, I can provide better understanding on SAP for the employees.
The first phase being organizational change. In company, we need a modern solution to the process and meet the customer objectives as well as guarantee successful operation in the future. And build a re-engineering organization, establishing the SAP R3 software. And finally, BPM new business process we implement SAP. In SAP we implement in control in the finance department, controlling, sales and distribution, asset management and other requirements also. Thank you.
The main objective of implementing SAP is global integration and an enhanced technology platform to support its business strategy through providing better training to the employees. Thank you.
BMW company, and she is the business head of our company, and he is Mr. Sanjay, and he is the assistant business head, and she is Deepika, and she is the IT people, and he is Mr. Frank, he is the trainee of our company, and he is Mr. Maniratna, and he is the BPR head. Our BMW is known as the Driver Motor Works. It is a German-made company. It was founded in the March 7th and in 1916. We produced first as aircraft engines only. After a few days, we made it to luxury cars, and we are producing the BMW Rolls-Royce and BMW i and BMW X. And our production output is 25,41,534 vehicles per year. Our revenue is 97.48 billion euros, and our operating income is 9.12 billion euros. And our total asset is 2,08,980 billion euro. And we are the leading class #1 luxury car making company in the world, and we also serve all the companies all over the world. And our vision is to be the most successful premium manufacturing in the industry, and our vision is the BMW Group is the world leading provider of a premium products and premium service for the industry mobility. And I next hand over to our business head, Jan.
Competitors of BMW are the Audi, Ferrari, Jaguar and Lamborghini, and the products are luxury cars and bikes. We implement software SAP R3 in our project. It is a client server version. It is a real-time data processing speed layer. SAP R3 was arranged in the
systems functional module and covering the typical function business organization. The modules of our organization which we implement is the financial and controlling, human resource and material management, sales and distribution, and the production planning.
As this project is concerned, the time consumption of is high and the cost is highly effective. So we implement the integrated software stack. The BMW strategy is new strategy is to lean and reduce the cost.
Good morning all. I am business at Lord. There is a problem faced is remote cost. BMW want an application that seems integrated with current swap system without requirement extra hardware or software. The application is simple to install and innovative. So 50 plus developers would potentially by using it. We are going to implement Swap. Swap is system application and plan. So the problem is there is a more cost. When there is a more cost, there is the more customer resistance is reduced. So we are going to implement Swap.
The training program of BMW. We announced that employees' new methods will be implemented in our company. We have to train them for these new methods. We have to change the existing users to adopt the new re-engineering SAP process. We create an automated tracking process of an employee. The problem will arise means we have the alternate solution to solve it, to motivate the employees to do the work in an effective manner.
First, organization changes BMW needs flexibles, increase the speed production. Second is engineering organization. We want to make reduce cost business engineering, improve efficiency, and the process need integrated. Then as the system is not integrated, after we implement the SAP, the entire system will get good communication. The engineering team is get new recruitment and training and education employees, brainstorming. The blueprint is we need to create a new business structure that what we implement the transformation is automation production, automatic invoicing, better decision making.
After our discussions, we are going to implement the SWAP in our company, and we will improve our products more effectively. Thank you.
I am the CEO of this company. Our company is GAP. It's a German-based company, and these are my team. This is our Chief Information Officer, Mr. Abrar, and this is the business head, Mr. Anisu, and we have two project head in our company. They are Mr. Arun and Mr. Bharat, and Sarvamurthy is our trainee head. And our company is a family-run enterprise started in 1953, headquartered in Coburg. And the founder of the company is Martin Cap. We are producing and market gear cutting machines, plug grinding machines, and gearing tools, which are particularly used in automotive industry. We employ a total of 500 employees in both customized and small batch production. The main buyers of our company are automotive, aerospace, and mechanical engineering companies. and our turnover of the company is 107 million. So I will hand over the mic to Mr. Anandu. He will explain more.
CAP Germany. And as she said earlier, the mechanical CAP Germany is a mechanical gear manufacturing company. And CAP produces and markets gear cutting machines, the plunge grinding machines, and the grinding tools. The manufacturing of machines and tools for finishing of gears and sprockets, and is the third of the turnover in Germany, and 2/3 in the international operations around the world. And the CAP Group produced 150 machinery sales in 2012. And now to facilitate Coburg, the headquarters of Germany, it plus subsidiaries in US, Japan and Brazil. It employs a total of 500 persons in both customized and small batch production. The main CAP products are automotive and aerospace and mechanical engineering equipments and gears. The current software not sufficient to keep pace with the company's doing needs. So we want to implement new software which allows for the broadening of product lines and product life, also to respond more sensitive to market trends. And our primary goal was to use a software which is majorly supported in all companies and which will integrate all the business activities. Thank you. And now I would like.
The SAP R3 we use is a real-time data processing software, and the Edition R3 is a client graphical user interface oriented software. SAP can fulfill the needs of the company like order fulfillment, billing, HRM and production through the SAP R3 modules like SAP Financial Management, SAP Asset Management, SAP Controlling and Material Management. The main benefits of SAP we face are it has high degree of integrity and adaptable to our business in all operation conditions. This app can ultimately satisfy the company goal, that is to achieve computer supported integrated handling of all business activities, mainly the operation through CAD and UNC.
Next, I want to introduce our project is to begin the organizational change. We implement the R3 software to build the reengineering process. The R3 meets the requirement perfectly and it's adapted to the particular business operational conditions are flexible to expand. To identify the business opportunities, the R3 is a software, a growing needs for the commercial information processing system. Understanding its existing process, the distributed architectures and the HB, UNIX operating system and CAD are the technical applications. And then the engineering process will be explained by the R3.
The engineering process of R3 meets its requirements perfectly, providing high degree of integrity, adaptability to its particular business operation conditions. The blueprint of the new business systems are implementing the R3 into the business and rearranging with the various department work with R3 softwares and perform the transformation. We are allocating the work to different employees by giving training. So training will be explained by the Silva.
Of SAP L3 system, we are appointing new software technicians because they can easily understand the current market. I will split them into department. The people are giving the trust and to rest of the employees. I will boost and motivate the employee. Our primary objective is to achieve computer supported, integrated handling of all business activities.
Adopted early, had paid to keep a pace with the growing needs of our company. So we need a new software to allow broadening of the product line and shortening the product life cycle and also to respond to the market trend. By implementing this SAP R3, we met the requirements perfectly. It helps us to provide a high degree of integration and expand our company